Poor people who dated somebody rich. What did you learn? My ex-wife had a grandfather who was a billionaire. When we would go to their house for holidays, it was like being on another planet. All of the different family members would try to get just a moment with the king and bootlick as much as possible. I didn't like the idea of this, so I just spent my time down in the main room playing with my kids. Next year again at Christmas, he seemed to like me, and a week later I got a call from him asking what he could do for my family. I told him I didn't need any of his money, but all I want is for my kids to know their great-grandfather. Later that year, he showed up at our house unexpectedly and spent the whole day telling my kids and me stories about when he was a kid growing up. He was truly an amazing guy for what he had gone through. I did eventually let him talk me into setting up a trust fund for my kids' college to be paid for. A few months later, he told me that out of all of his close relatives, he appreciated me the most because I was the only one who never asked for anything other than for him to just be himself.